Hi, welcome to Shaji's Vlogs. Today we are going to one birthday celebration, one of my friends. So I thought that the journey is very nice journey. So I thought it is better to share with my viewers as well. Okay, so just explore together. So see, the time is around 7:30, 8 o'clock now, but still it's a very sunny as well. So you can just see very nice places and the nice nature's beauty as well. I'm always like this traveling, because of this climate and also the nature. We can just enjoy the beauty of nature, and the journey also, it's a quite pleasant journey, so just enjoy together. Time is now 10 o'clock, half 10 now, so we are going back. Definitely I hope you all enjoyed the video, so stay tuned with me. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel as well. So stay tuned with me. I will be back with another wonderful vlog as well. Thank you once again.